Hello friends, this is Chef Pinto here. Welcome to my channel, this which is Pinto Vinay Cuisine. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make a red chutney. In Goa, we call it tiwar. It goes very well with papad rice and especially with salt fish, dry fish. So in rainy seasons, as you all know, we don't get fresh fish. So this is a very good option during rainy season. In order to make red chutney, which is tiwar, in Goa we call it, we need onion. I've taken two red onion, which is chopped, one whole coconut grated, 1 tablespoon of sugar. In order to make it a little bit spicy and to give the sweetness, I've added sugar. To make spicy, I've added four red chilies and Kashmiri chilies. I've taken three to give the color. Four each of garlic clove. Then I have 1 tablespoon of dry coriander. Tamarind, which we need half a size of a lemon. And then cumin, which is 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So all these ingredients which is in the plate, I'm going to blend it by adding little bit of water together with fresh coconut grated. So let's blend all the ingredients first. Chili, turmeric powder, cumin whole, then this is tamarind, garlic and dry coriander. By adding water, we'll make a fine paste. So guys, this is a very simple recipe. You can try this at home and give your feedback in the comment section. And it's a very tasty uh, chutney, red chutney. Check this. I've made it to a very fine paste. All the ingredients by adding water. And now we'll start with the cooking process. So my pan is already hot. We'll add oil to this in order to saute the onions. You have to saute the onion well. Guys, this is very tasty dish. You all will love it. Try this one. It's a very easy, very simple recipe. You can make this at home and you can even store it. If you keep it in the fridge and you can have it by reheating it, and it will even taste more better. 6 days you can keep it, and if you keep it for long period of time like 6 days and all, it tastes even better. Guys, this is try this recipe at home. This is very tasty dish. Goes very well with parboiled rice, boiled egg. Then you have papad. In rainy season, as we all aware that we don't get fresh fish in the market. Very rarely we'll get, and this is a very good option during rainy season. Very simple recipe. Goes very well with dry fish and also you can preserve this, store it and keep it in the refrigerator, and for at least a minimum of 6 days. And the more you keep it, you can reheat and have this, and it even tastes more better. So now our onion is already sauteed. We'll add the paste. We'll pass water in the same jar. Now we'll add sugar and salt to taste. Mix it properly, and on a simmer, on a slow range, we'll cook this for at least 10 minutes. Guys, check this out. After 10 minutes of simmering this is ready now. We'll turn off the flame, and this is ready to be served. Check the consistency. This is how it should be. It should be thick. This is a chutney. In Goa we call it Aalen. This is ready to be served now.
Thank you so much for staying till the end. Please like, share and subscribe.